So yeah, but do you understand on this page, if we just take this page and take all that content that you made right here in the middle and just put it over on the right side, and then on the left side put professional, and then so that's what I was going to ask you. I don't know how do we leave it available for him so that he could change pricing? How would you do that if you had to do that?
Is the like real value going to stay the same and then just like the offer, the actual price, is that the one he's going to edit? Or he,
Yes.
okay, then we can do like the uh, value or the whatever like regular price and like an image that's going to stay there, and then just put it on text so he could just delete and put and type in the new one, the new price for the actual price. And then we can make that a button so they can just click on that and move to the purchase section, like the order form.
But we would have to know his prices, right?